Hello, it's Tim from Advertised, and we're just going to show you how quick and easy it is to change the Biqu Panda Revo nozzle on the X1C. So I'll take the cover off first. That's just so you can see where you're placing the replacement nozzle to put it back in. Nice and easy to unscrew. This one happens to be the standard 0.4 that comes with it. Alternative nozzles are available basically everywhere. Here in Europe I can get them at 3D Jake or 3D Prima and plenty of other places. We're just going to be replacing this nozzle with a 0.8 HTA nozzle, which is a high flow nozzle which takes high temperatures and is for abrasives, and we're going to be doing some flow rate testing on this later. So just have to screw this back in and make sure it's aligned, and then we're done. Finally, we're just going to pop the cover back on. Thank you for watching.